Okay, guys, since I have a tiny kitchen, as always, y'all know. So, I'm gonna make a vegan burger for the first time. I have some chickpeas I made a while back. So, I'm gonna pour these in here. Because I want it to be gritty. So, now this mixture I made the other night for spaghetti. But I'm going to put it in my burger because I think it would taste good. It's zucchini, some onions, some mushrooms chopped up real fine. So I want that. Which I'm still going to put my portobello mushrooms in here. Okay, so I washed my portobello mushrooms. And all I'm going to do is break them a little bit, because hopefully this will break it down more, because mushrooms are awesome. So I have 2, so I'm just throwing 2 in here. And then I believe I'm going to put nutritional yeast after I see what it looks like, the thickness and consistency of my little mixture. And I don't know if I should chop this up and then add this, because I'm still unsure if I should even use this, but we'll see. Okay, so now I'm gonna pulse. Ooh. I think this is what my mixture looks like. I'm thinking I am not going to put this stuff, this Italian polenta. I think I'm not gonna do it because I forgot what's even in here. Yeah, it's cornmeal. So I don't think I want to use this because I'm trying to do something that's not in packaging and all that good stuff. And this looks like a good texture and all that. So yeah, I am gonna put some nutritional yeast and my seasoning. I'll be back. So I'm going to put black pepper. I'm also gonna put turmeric because I put turmeric in everything. The Simply Organic. Then I'm gonna do cayenne because I like spice. Yeah, I put a lot of cayenne. Bam. I'm also gonna do paprika. Uh-oh, that was a lot. And then I'm going to mix it all up. So, be on the lookout. Okay, so one more thing I forgot was my nutritional yeast. It'll make it a little cheesy. So let's do this. Okay, so this is what my texture looks like. It smells good. It kind of... I've smelled this before, but I can't think of the where. It smells good. So I'm gonna put this in a container to chill in the refrigerator for a little bit. So this is what my vegan burger looks like. Yeah, I put my fries on here because it wasn't working out very well. So that's my vegan burger so far. Okay, so I just want to take a moment of silence for my vegan burger. I was trying to plate it and it all fell on the floor. But the little bit I did try was good. And I haven't attempted to make it ever since. And this video has just been sitting in my phone for like 3 months because I've been upset. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. That's the end of my vegan video. I basically posted this just in case if you wanted ideas of what you could mix together to make a vegan burger. Sorry, I'm upset. But yeah, it's basically ideas to give you and to remind myself of how I did it. So it was a little crumbly, but it was a little crumbly, but it was delicious. I should have put the polenta in it because then it would basically make it like a glue to hold it all together. So if I attempt it again, I'll try to record. But yeah, I was stressed out that day and I ended up dropping it all over the floor, the whole container. But anyway, yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.